Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Saturday, alright? So here we're going. May I try prank Rochelle. She upstairs, so I don't want to talk too loud, but me have them look roach here, look fake roach here. Gonna see them. Them look fake roach here. One prank her. Someone put it in so much eat or so much I go drink. Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hope so I can pull this off without she figure out nothing because she upstairs so I have to talk low. Alright? So this is gonna be my first YouTube prank. Let me see how that one I go. If that one I go good, I go do more prank video. Alright? So I go prank Russia with them roach here. Alright. Alright guys, so still down here going to wait, so Russia still put Zaya to bed. So I tell her to text me when she finish put Zaya to bed. So at least me know when she come downstairs. So I'm just down here and I'm gonna wait. Hopefully this go good. Alright, this is my first prank where I got attempt ever on YouTube. Maybe in a real life though, because I'm not record me really prank nobody them way still. One thing me remember one time when I was younger, my sister did prank me with one sheet to just up like one ghost one night. And that one did catch me still, but in a real life, I gotta see if I can pull this off. So put the roach them in the plate and put the patty in the maker. So when she come down now, I gotta tell her say the patty ready and I wait for her. So I gotta see how that one I gotta go. Alright guys. So if it's successful or if it come up, if someone wanna like on a comment in the comment section and let me know if that one I go good, I think I gotta prank her more. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the little insect them and them kinda look fake still in the but I gotta try see what I can do with them to pull off that prank, yeah. Alright guys, so stay tuned. She upstairs I put Zaya to sleep, so when she put Zaya to sleep she gonna come down and then I put patty where she asked me for warm up for her, so I gonna put them in the patty. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are the plates. So I have a patty for her where I warm up. So I warm up the patty. I gonna put the patty in the maker. And then I gonna use this and cover it. So when she come downstairs, I gonna tell her say your patty in the plate that will cover up on the sink. So when she go in there now, I gonna see if I can catch her reaction. So I have a next camera over there, so stay tuned guys, alright?
What are you videoing?
I'm not videoing no like that girl. Yeah, patty under the mom, get the patty. Yeah, I'm gonna put it quite cool. She will show to the party, you know. I'm gonna try to be extra nice.
No, you're not. You're being extra nice to me for a reason. Why you cover this?
Me cover it because I want to be cool.
Why you not cover it cool? Me not want it.
What?
Me not want it. Me do it to cover it for a reason.
No, but I cover it with that because
I told you, I said, go after the party, go after the party. Me go after
because
something.
why you upstairs and cook somewhere else and put under there.
You cook what and put under there?
That's it.
No, I don't trust you.
No, serious. Yeah. I'm just trying to be romantic.
Romantic, oh. Me say.
From the other day, I feel like when I eat something.
So what?
You know.
Why you cover it then? So come and cook and pull it. Come and cook and pull it.
Because I am saying when you're coming out,
Come and cook and pull it. Come and, no matter surprise me. Come and cook and pull it.
when you're upstairs, you know when the door go off.
Before she door go off.
The doorbell, the way you go off.
First, come and hear the doorbell go off. What is?
When they get the other Chinese food.
You don't know no Chinese food, you're wicked.
No, serious. We can't believe you married to me and trust me.
I don't trust you. What underneath it?
Fuck did
Me don't know what I like. I don't pull it.
But no, that. You know, so that's why they say you know to do good.
Go first, you don't know good.
Every time I try to do good.
What underneath it? What is underneath it?
You know, I leave it. You know, I leave it.
Come pull it
No,
then.
no, if me pull it back and eat, you're not getting none of it.
Right.
The dead serious.
Move from yourself.
Yeah. I'm laughing because I know you're going to think it's funny. That's
Can you
why
do
I'm
that?
laughing.
Go out for the party. Go out for the party.
Because I think it's going to be funny. That's why I laugh. I just can't contain it. I'm not going to say, oh, this is sweet, but you're going to think it's funny at the same time. That's why I laugh. You can't even trust me.
I don't trust you.
Jaja. What are you doing? Hey! The prank come out well.
It's prank.
It was a
Me
prank.
nose get up to something.
It was a prank. It come out well. Even though she kind of hesitate to go to it. But look at me though. I'll put the roach
And line round the road. Them
I'll
round
put
the
the roach
party.
around the patty. So I put the patty in the oven, toast the oven. That's why it look like that. And then put the roach around it and cover it with that.